Today I am going to show you how to fix goose touch problem while charging on any Android phone. Sometimes your screen starts opening apps or touching by itself when the phone is plugged in. If you follow these simple steps, your problem will mostly be solved. So let's start. Step 1. Use original charger and cable. First thing you need to do, check your charger and cable. Many times cheap or damaged chargers create this goose touch issue. So always use the original charger and cable that came with your phone. Next, check your charging for dust, lint or dirt can go inside and make screen behave strangely. Take a small brush or toothpick carefully and clean it, and be gentle during cleaning. Don't damage the pins and then check if the ghost touch is gone. Now the third step, sometimes your phone case or screen protector can cause static electricity which also triggers ghost touch while charging. So take off your case and protector, plug in the phone and see if it works properly. Now the last step, the problem still happens after all these steps, then it's probably hardware problem like a faulty touch digitizer on your screen. In that case, the only option to visit a professional repair shop to replace it.